At this point, I'm still a little bit undecided as to which of my vehicles that I'm going to be putting this on, so I may be reaching out to the community to get your input, which may help to solidify my choice in which vehicle I go with. Yeah, I've been contacted by a lot of different companies looking for me to promote their products, and honestly, that's not what this channel's about, and that's not what I'm in the business of doing, is shilling for companies. But when there's a company that I feel very strongly about, when there's a product that I feel very strongly about, I will be bringing that to the community and allowing you guys to decide whether or not that's something you want to add into your lifestyle. So what is an EMP shield? It's a device that is designed to shunt to ground over voltage spikes caused by an electromagnetic pulse, a coronal mass ejection, or more commonly, lightning. So let's see what's in the box. So opening the box, got some documentation here. You've got the unit itself with some wires. You've got just a shipping label, but essentially that's what's in the box. The unit itself with a black, red, and green wire. It's got a fuse in it. Looks to be a 20 amp fuse with these type of connectors already ready to go. Got an on button, and basically this is a 12-volt unit. This will be used on a vehicle, but they make these for your home that connects directly to your panel. And from what I understand, these can be used for anything as far as from like a vehicle standpoint is concerned. It can be used in aircraft, it can be used on an ATV, it can be used on anything that has sensitive electronics on it, which would potentially be damaged due to that over voltage spike. So this is something I'm going to be putting on one of my vehicles to start with. Yeah, that's all you get in the box, is this simply, and then some documentation here, which is basically just a thank you for your business, and some instructions. Installing in your vehicle. That's it. For every one of those that you purchase, you'll be insured up to $25,000. So let's just say hypothetically, you had one of these on the 3 vehicles that you own. You put one on each vehicle. That would potentially be $75,000 should all 3 of them fail. And the nice thing about that is to get reimbursed from the company, you're not going to have to go through any insurance. You're going to go directly to the company and they're going to cut you a check. So that to me speaks volumes. Another thing that I really like is the fact that if you have an issue, which more than likely you probably won't, but if you had an issue, you would be able to pick up the phone and talk to another human being on the other end who's going to address your issue directly. And you're not going to get the runaround. You're not going to be punching a bunch of buttons to talk to a human being. You're going to talk to a real person. And to me, that is awesome. Another thing too is I like supporting small business. Anytime that I can spend my money with a company that's locally owned, small business, that's where I prefer to spend my money. This is a company that is veteran owned, 100% made in the United States, in the heartland of this country. Yeah, another thing that's kind of nice for you guys, if in fact you decide you want to purchase something like this, is that they've given me a discount code to utilize. So anybody making that purchase will get $50 off of the cost of this for every purchase that you make. I will be having a follow-up video installing this unit on one of my vehicles once I determine which vehicle that's going to be. But please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.